Aspiring earners, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of data annotation jobs, your ticket to making money while contributing to the exciting field of AI. Whether you're a complete newbie or a seasoned pro looking to expand your horizons, data annotation jobs offer a fantastic opportunity to get started in AI training. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, the question is, why data annotation? Well, it's very simple. Every AI model needs high-quality labeled data to learn from, and that's where you come in. By annotating text, images, and videos, you are helping AI algorithms understand and interpret the world around us. Data annotation jobs provide numerous opportunities, from identifying objects in images to transcribing audio clips. The tasks are diverse, meaning there's something for everyone in this field. So, how do you get started? Don't worry, because we've got you covered. We will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your data annotation journey and start earning money. From choosing the right platforms and tools to honing your annotation skills, we will equip you with everything you need to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. The first platform we are going to explore is Lionbridge. It is a well-known company in the field of data annotation and AI training. If you visit their website, you will see the various opportunities they offer for workers and freelancers. These include technical writing, training and e-learning, video localization, software localization, translation services for regular companies, interpretation for live events, and website localization. There are many opportunities available, and joining is quite simple. All you need to do is click on the Join Our Team option. Once you do that, you will see the current job openings, including roles for corporate associates, translators and agencies, interpreters, gaming-related positions, and, of course, data annotation jobs. If you want to apply, all you need to do is send an email to the provided address. One of our best tips is to never send money to any platform. The goal of data annotation jobs is to earn money, not to pay for opportunities. If a platform asks for money, be cautious. It's likely not legitimate. Joining Lionbridge is a straightforward process. Simply send an email and apply for the available job openings that match your skills. The next platform we are going to explore is Figure 8 Federal. This is another data annotation job platform that offers various opportunities. If you visit their website and navigate to the Careers section, you will find some of the benefits of working for Figure 8. Having worked here in the past, I can say that the projects and contracts are lucrative, pay well, and are not too complicated. The tasks are simple and can be done in your free time. If you're interested in working with Figure 8, click on the Apply Now button under the Open Positions section. Once you do that, you will see various job listings for data annotation specialists and professionals. Many of these positions are remote, meaning you can apply no matter where you live. To get started, just click the Apply button on the job that interests you. The next platform is Appen, one of the leading companies in the field of data annotation and AI training. They specialize in providing high-quality training data to improve AI systems and machine learning models. To start your career with Appen, you need to create an account. Click on the Client Login option and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to complete your profile with accurate information about your skills, experience, and areas of expertise. This will help Appen match you with relevant annotation tasks. I have personally worked with Appen as a freelancer, and I can confirm that they pay well. They offer micro-tasks for data annotation and labeling, and the more complex tasks you take on, the higher the pay. Once you have created an account, you can browse available projects that match your skills. However, projects may vary in terms of type, complexity, and duration. You can also apply for projects that interest you, even if they don't exactly match your skills. Some projects may require you to pass a qualification test or complete a training module before you can start working. Appen supports different data types, including text, images, audio, and video. They also allow users to improve the quality of existing data by adding metadata and classification labels. There's always work available on Appen, making it a great option for earning money through data annotation. The next platform we're going to explore is LXT. This platform offers flexible work, weekly payments, and rapid growth opportunities. You can work remotely and improve your skills while earning money. To get started with LXT, simply click on the Start Application button on their website and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you provide the necessary information, you will be able to browse job listings related to data annotation. The application process is straightforward and you can get started quickly. One of the best platforms for finding data annotation jobs is the Muse. When you search for relevant job titles on their website, you will find listings such as data entry for AI development with pay rates of around $20 per hour. This is a lucrative opportunity, especially for remote work. To apply, you have two options. You can either click on View Job to see more details or apply on company site to be redirected to the employer's page. Some listings require you to provide your email address before proceeding. Regardless of the method, the Muse offers great opportunities for earning money through AI data annotation. Next, we have TaskUse, a company that provides outsourcing services, including customer service, content moderation, and data annotation services. They work with tech companies, startups, and other businesses looking to outsource various tasks. TaskUse also offers freelance work related to data annotation, making it a great option for remote workers. If you're interested in working with TaskUse, click on the Apply button on their website. You will be given three options: apply for a role, ask general questions, or search for open roles. If you choose to search for open roles, simply type data annotation in the search bar. If there are relevant job openings in your region, they will appear in the results. Finally, one of my favorite platforms for taking on data annotation gigs is We Work Remotely, also known as WWR. This platform connects freelancers with remote job opportunities, including data annotation work. Once you visit their website, you will see the option to post a job for $299. This is for clients looking to hire freelancers. However, as a worker, you can browse available job listings without any cost. If you're looking for a gig in the data annotation or data labeling industry, it's easier than ever to get started. These platforms provide opportunities for job seekers who want to earn money by completing various annotation tasks. When using these platforms, you typically have two options, either as a client seeking workers for a project or as a freelancer looking for work. Since we are focusing on earning through data annotation, the next step is to search for relevant job listings. Simply enter a job title or keyword in the search bar, apply filters to refine your results, and search for data annotation positions. You'll find numerous job postings, including opportunities as a freelance data annotation specialist, AI, prompt engineer, and more. It's essential to check for job openings frequently on platforms like We Work Remotely. For those serious about securing steady work, creating an account is highly recommended. Registration is free, and you gain access to exclusive job listings and perks. If your earnings increase, upgrading to a premium plan can unlock even more benefits. Another lesser-known platform for finding data annotation jobs is Toggle. It offers a straightforward process to search for relevant work. Instead of browsing manually, using the direct search function for data annotation tasks simplifies the experience. Before proceeding, you'll need to create an account using either a Google or LinkedIn login. If you use both services, a Google account is typically the most convenient option. Creating a Toggle account provides access to numerous job listings and perks that can help maximize earning potential. Another great option is Toloka, a platform that pays users to complete short tasks. With just an internet-connected device, you can begin earning money. The process is simple. Sign up for free, complete a short training to familiarize yourself with tasks, carefully select jobs, and withdraw earnings upon completion. Referrals also provide bonus incentives. Having a personal account on Toloka allows passive earnings through short and manageable tasks. Those looking for more opportunities can take on additional projects for increased earnings. To start, select the appropriate role, complete tasks, and get paid on your schedule. Employers can also use the platform to request data services for their projects. If you need more details, the Learn About Data Solutions section provides further insights into the opportunities available. Among all the platforms explored, Fiverr stands out as one of the best options for data annotation jobs. It's a well-known marketplace that connects freelancers with clients who need digital services, including annotation work. Sellers on Fiverr create gigs that highlight their services, while buyers browse listings to find freelancers suited to their projects. When a client selects a gig, they can place an order directly on Fiverr. Fiverr provides a seamless experience for both freelancers and clients. Users can create an account using Google, Apple, Facebook, or a work email. Once registered, sellers can explore available gigs, set pricing tiers, and offer additional services for extra fees. Clients select their preferred package based on expertise, availability, and language requirements. Once a project begins, sellers communicate with clients via Fiverr's messaging system to provide updates and address concerns. Upon completion, sellers deliver their work through the platform. Clients can review the results and request revisions if necessary. Fiverr manages all payment processing, deducting a 20% commission from the freelancer's earnings. Positive reviews and high ratings help freelancers attract more clients and increase their income potential. Data annotation jobs provide an opportunity to earn money while contributing to AI development. However, delivering high-quality annotations is crucial, as accuracy and consistency are essential for training AI models effectively. Over time, improving annotation speed without sacrificing quality can lead to higher earnings. Exploring different types of annotation work can also help diversify income streams, as some tasks pay more than others. While data annotation can be a profitable venture, it requires patience, attention to detail, and dedication to maintaining high-quality work. Gaining experience and building a solid reputation on these platforms will gradually increase your earning potential. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.